Meron pa. Baka may gusto pang humabol dyan. Wow. Palakpakan naman po natin, di ba? Darating din yung point sa buhay ni Jai at saka ni Rain na ganito yung kanilang magiging estado as husbands and wives. Kaya this is a foreshadowing, Jai and Rain. Kahit na pumuti or mawala ka ng buhok mo. Alright, so this time, magtatanong po tayo ng ilang couples na nandito ngayon ng medyo Miss Universe na question. Go lang. So, I'll start with you, ma'am, and sir. Hello po. How long have you been together po? No? I know. 13 years. What's the secret for that 13 years of ups and downs as husband and wife? Tolerance. So, tolerance daw dyan. Thank you so much. You may now go home. Go back to your seats. Now, ito po, si Ninong at saka si Ninang. Ilang taon na po kayo together?